Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Karen, this is Robert.
Hi.
And then welcome to my family. You threw me off. Welcome to our Irish family. So today we are going to be doing, or well, Robert is going to be doing his closet. So I have a video that I did my side, so if you want to see that, I will have that linked in the description. But Robert is going to be doing his closet today, and we're going to Marie Kondo the shiz out of it. So we have back here, you can see we have some baskets that we're going to be putting his stuff in. He doesn't have half as much stuff as I do, but he still has more than he probably thinks he does. So let's just get onto it. First he's going to make the pile, then he's going to sort through, he's going to hold everything like Marie Kondo says, see if it sparks joy.
Yeah, there's going to be a lot of non-joy.
So yeah, so see if it sparks joy, and then he gets onto the folding. So I did my folding, and I have the same demo that I used for him, so he can do his own folding. So that means in the future he'll do it for all our clothes. So yeah, let's get on with it.
So here's all my clothes here. One or two things up here, nothing major. And all my hanging clothes, as Karen calls them, here. So I'll throw all these into a pile and get rid of a lot of clothes. So that's all my stuff. I'm going to go through it one by one, painstakingly, and get rid of a lot of things. Never gonna fly high to the skies, 'cause we're gonna have a taste of the good life. Here we go, up. We're gonna rock this club till it goes up. Yeah, we're gonna live the good life. Yeah, we're gonna do it all night. We're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life, the good life. Tonight, we're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life, the good life. Tonight, we're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life, the good life. Tonight, we're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life, the good life. I saw you when you passed me by, girl. Listen, baby, it ain't no lie, girl. And I can't deny that you're sexy with that booty caught my eye, girl. Listen, you don't have to be the shy, girl. I'm not a player, no, I'm not the guy, girl. Listen, yeah, I know that we could fly up in the sky. At least we could try, girl. Yeah, you know that I've been around this time, look up and down for some to play with. Yeah, I know I finally found you, girl. I know I found you, girl. You got me. Okay, so I've sorted out most of the stuff, well, all of the stuff. I'll send all that stuff to the bin. That's going to the charity shop. They're the only shoes I own. I own one red pair just there, and I have to try on a good few of these jeans, one or two tops. My suit is not going in the bin because it cost too much money, so and I've tried on a lot of shirts, so I haven't worn them in a long time. So wish me luck. So I've sorted out all my stuff, so now I just have to hang
a lot of things that need to be hung, as Karen has told me, and just put my t-shirts and jumpers into the little boxes.
You're supposed to pretend I'm not behind the camera.
Everyone knows it. So I'll do that and be all good.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I can see everything clearer. Trying to fly 'cause I'm light as a feather. But I get high, I get low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been.
So Robert is finished doing his bit and I just want to share with you how it all looks now. So in our folded section it looks like this now. So again, the bottom here I haven't touched. These two are mine, so they're both my jumpers. Then here I have my t-shirts, my everyday t-shirts and some pajamas. Here we have Robert. So Robert has 3 t-shirts folded on top of his ones here. So if there's any more, which I think there will be because he does have a number of them in his in the wash right now, we're going to just get a second basket and put it here beside it, and then he'll have 2 baskets with his t-shirts. But basically they're all folded the Marie Kondo method. And he looked at that Pinterest post that I spoke about last time, so I will link that so you can check it out. Here are his jumpers. So there is a number of jumpers in the wash for him, and at the very top are just blankets at the back. These are like jerseys, like kind of sentimental jerseys that I don't want to get rid of, and then my maternity wear there. And then in our closet it now looks like so. So hanging here we have my clothes on this side and Robert's clothes on that side, and then down the bottom here we have my shoes, Robert's shoes, and then a couple of winter coats that we have. So that is it. That is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you've enjoyed both my decluttering in the videos linked in the description and also Robert's go today. So thank you so much for watching. Give it a video thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. I will be doing Ava's room next, so stay tuned for that. And that is it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.